Dear friends, in this video I am going to talk the marine mammals. Marine mammals are land dwelling ancestors. It is warm blooded and usually breathe air from the atmosphere. The body is covered with hair or fur. Sometimes we call it hair or sometimes we call it fur. Bear live young mammary glands for milk, just like um, mammals. Almost all the mammals are having a mammary gland to feed the young ones. So it is all the mammals are in one area that is called mammals because it is having mammary gland through which it give feed to the young ones, especially milk. They all have three air bones. Other interesting characters are most of them have different kinds of teeth. Four chamber heart, just like human beings. Almost all the marine mammals have four chamber hearts, and they are very intelligent, just like human being, because all human beings and other marine mammals are coming under same area. So it is highly developed brain. All are having highly developed brain. Where do they live? Marine mammals, what is the location of their, where it is located? All over the ocean. They migrate often based on seasons, breeding and feeding cycles. Some live in the Arctic, that is polar bears. Some live along the Pacific coast, sea otters. Some live in the West Indies, that is the examples are dugongs. How they are survive? The adaptation to live in water is thermal regulation. We call it the adaptation character is thermoregulation, and it is having blubber. It stores fat and energy. Fur traps a layer of air next to the skin to keep it dry. Vasodilation, that is controls body temperature by controlling blood flow. Three categories of marine mammals are available. They are carnivora, Sirenia, and Cetacea. Carnivora, the order consists of seals, sea lions, walruses, polar bears, and sea otters. Then carnivora, the order carnivora includes prominent canine teeth. The examples are sea otters, polar bears, pinnipeds, large skin covered flippers, walruses, seals, sea lion, and fur seals. Sirenia, it includes manatees and dugongs. Sirenia, the cow is coming under Sirenia. It is elephant-like ancestors. For sea cows, the ancestors are elephant-like and mostly herbivorous in nature. Mantis, coastal areas of tropical Atlantic Ocean. Dugongs, distributed coastal areas of Indian and Western Pacific Oceans. Cetacea, order Cetacea, whales, dolphins, porpoises, streamlined bodies for fast swimming, specialized skin structure for fast swimming. Adaptation for deep diving, use oxygen efficiently, absorb 90% of oxygen inhaled, store large quantity of oxygen, reduce oxygen required for non-critical organs, dive 10 minutes, that is dolphin, to 2 hours, that is sperm whale, muscles insensitive to buildup of carbon dioxide, collapsible lungs. These are the some of the adaptations for cetacea. Suborder Odonte ceti, it is belonging to cetacea. Dolphins, porpoises, oracle whale, sperm whale. Echolocation to determine distance and direction and size of objects. The suborder mysticity, ballan whales larger than toothed whales, blue whale, finback whale, humpback whale, grey whale, right whale. Fibrous plates of ballan sea prey items eat lower on food chain, grill, zooplankton, etc. Vocalized sounds for various purposes. Low frequency communications travel large distance, nearly about 50 kilometers. Cetaceans swim with a strong tail and flukes. Key factors: average lifespan 10 to 50 years, gestation 10 to 17 months, calving can occur every 2 to 5 years, one calf at a time. Size: typical dolphins are about 2 meter long and weight 100 kg. Is it dolphin and porpoise are same? It's wrong. They are both mammals and are very closely related. The porpoise have a rounded head, while the dolphins have a protruding snout. They are smaller members of the toothed whale family. Dolphins' teeth are cone-shaped and the top and bottom teeth interlock. Melon-shaped head with beak. They have a dorsal fin. There are 36 species of dolphin, including bottlenose dolphin, Rios dolphin, false killer whale, Pacific, white-sided dolphin, orca, killer whale, long-finned pilot whale, short-finned pilot whale, and Irrawaddy dolphin. Porpoises have a blunt head and small spade-shaped teeth, no beak and melon-shaped foreheads, usually smaller than dolphins. Porpoise species includes the Herbor, Gulf of California, Burmster's spectacle finless and Doll's porpoises. Why are dolphins affected by tuna fisheries? Yellowfin tuna often school beneath large herds of spot dolphin in the eastern Pacific Ocean. They both are feeding on surface, dwelling squids, mackerel, and flying fish. When fishing nets are set beneath the dolphins to surround the tuna, dolphins and other bycatch also get tangled in the nets and die. Public pressure surrounding this controversial issue has prompted a 97% reduction of dolphin bycatch in the last 7 years. Dolphins are only affected by the yellow fin tuna fishery. Albacore tuna do not associate with dolphins. Strandings may be small scale events involving single animals or larger scale events involving a dozen of animals. Mass stranding. Stranding may be routine caused by commonly seen injuries or disease or extraordinary caused by less common circumstances. Beluga whale, a white Arctic whale with a conspicuous melon to focus the outgoing surround waves. Whale behavior, sperm whale surrounding an injured member of a pod. Spying behavior of killing whales. Dolphin behavior, dolphin seen carrying an injured dolphin to the surface to breathe. With that, I finish some of the important characters of marine mammals. Thank you very much.